If you call yourself a trader, you probably already know everything about this. In today's video, we are going to talk about the fractal nature of price action. What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. If you are completely new to the channel, my name is Jonatan, but most of you probably know me as Libs42. I am a professional crypto and forex trader, and I'm also the co-founder of the trading community RLZ Trading, where we teach you to simplify your path to greatness one trade at a time. Remember to hit that subscribe button and like the video so we can activate that YouTube algorithm. It really helps me personally and really helps the channel to grow. So what does it actually mean when I say that price action is fractal? So this has to do with market structure analysis, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples here and kind of talk you through the importance of having that perspective that price action is fractal. And basically what that means is if you see a trend, it doesn't really matter what time frame that trend is on, you can always think that within that trend you're going to have smaller trends. You have trends within trends, and you have ranges within trends, and you have trends within ranges. And if you see a bullish trend on the weekly or daily time frame, you can be sure that within that bullish trend you're also going to be able to find bearish trends within the bullish trend. And the goal is to find trends that is agreeing on as many time frames as possible. So usually what I do is imagine you have a daily uptrend that looks like this, right? So this is a daily uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Very simple market structure. Now there's a couple of things you have to take into consideration here, and what really makes this type of analysis powerful is there's different ways you can use it, right? And one of the ways I like to use it is to first I look at the higher time frames, like for example the daily, and I want to go long. But the way I'm trading is I'm doing my overall analysis on the daily time frame, and then the entry time frame is supposed to be the 4-hour. So if the daily trend is bullish, I mean, if you look at this chart right here, and when price is going down here, this is still a bullish trend, right? This is still a bullish trend right here. But this down move on the daily will most likely be a bearish trend on the 4-hour. So if you zoom in to the 4-hour, you're probably going to see something like this. So you're going to see a downtrend within an overall uptrend. And the whole idea with my trading system is that you're supposed to be trading with the overall trend. And right here, the overall trend is bullish, but this is the primary trend. So the daily in this case is the primary trend, and you want that secondary trend, which is this one right here. You want that secondary trend to be bullish as well. So when the daily starts bouncing here and forming a higher low, that's when you want to zoom into the 4-hour or even the lower time frames. You want to do that. You want to look for a bullish break in the market structure. So let's talk about that. What does a bullish break in market structure actually look like? Before we talk about that bullish break in market structure, I want to show you this. We are currently doing a giveaway on Twitter. All you have to do is to go to my Twitter profile. It's the pinned tweet on my profile. All you have to do is like and retweet the tweet, follow me on Twitter, and comment RLZ Slingshot on the Twitter post, and then sign up to the newsletter. Links to the description, links to my Twitter, I should say, and the newsletter is all in the description below. And if you're watching this video after the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter, because we will be doing a lot of giveaways going forward exclusively to subscriber members. And what you're winning here is 1 month access to the RLZ Slingshot Indicator, which is pretty much 100% complete. We're going to release it to the public in about a month, so definitely check that. I'm very, very excited about that indicator. So let's say you've analyzed the trend on the daily and it's a bullish market structure. Now you want to zoom into the 4 hours. So I'm going to keep this daily trend on the chart right here, and we're going to assume that we now have zoomed into the 4 hour and we are now watching this part of the daily trend. So let's see how that would look. So you get that down move on the daily time frame, and that down move on the daily time frame might look something like this on the 4 hour. Now this is a 4 hour downtrend, right? You don't want to go long on a local downtrend. So the 4 hour is now in a downtrend. You might want to go long here based on the daily higher time frames, but if you zoom in, you're going to see that you're in a downtrend. So we want to make sure that the daily time frame is bullish, and we also want to make sure that the 4 hour time frame is bullish. So what we're looking for is a 4 hour bullish break in market structure here, and that 4 hour bullish break in market structure will most likely also mark the low of the overall daily trend. And this is how you can get in on the big moves on the daily time frame, with looking at the lower time frames as confirmation of a bullish break in market structure. Now, what does a bullish break in market structure look like? It's very simple. This is a downtrend. You have lower highs and lower lows. So what you want to see is a higher high and then a higher low. And when you have that bounce right there, you have a bullish break in market structure. You now go from having lower lows and lower highs to higher highs and higher lows. When price bounces right here, you will probably be trading somewhere here, and that's where you want to enter based on the 4 hour. So one very key ingredients here with the idea of price action being fractal is the idea that every trend shift on the higher time frames will first be visible on the lower time frame. So if you're looking for a trend shift on the daily, that will first be visible on the lower time frames like the 4 hour. And if you're trading on the 4 hour and you're looking for a bullish break in market structure on the 4 hour, you can go down into the 1 hour and you can try to determine if the 4 hour trend is going to shift by looking at the market structure behavior on the 1 hour. So let's say that this 4 hour trend here is still bearish, and now we go into the 1 hour time frame. So this is how it looks on the 1 hour. Perhaps you might have like some sort of range here, maybe not on the 1 hour, but let's say 15 minute, but let's say you're looking at the 1 hour. So this would be like the 1 hour. You're getting something like this. So you're looking like the behavior of this trend kind of looks something like this, right? And then you're getting perhaps equal lows and equal highs. So on the 4 hour, you might be trading down here, all right? And on the daily, on the 1 hour, so this is the daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour. So you're trading here on the 4 hour and here on the daily, but you're trading here on the 1 hour. Now, what are you seeing here? Well, you're seeing a downtrend on the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour, you're seeing a change in behavior, because this is the downtrend on the 1 hour, but you're now getting equal highs and equal lows. Now, this could be an indication that the 4 hour trend is about to break into a bullish market structure. So when you have this on the 1 hour, a double bottom pattern, a W pattern, and then you're getting perhaps a break and retest of that W pattern like this. So the double bottom and W pattern, you're getting a break and retest of that level. And this would be that move here. So you're getting a bounce on the 4 hour, still a bearish market structure, but you're getting that bounce. And you're zooming into the 1 hour or the 50-minute or whatever time frame you're watching. And here on the 4 hour, which it's not visible on the 4 hour, but the bullish break in market structure is visible on the 1 hour. And this is really how you could get those super high risk to reward trade, where you get a very good entry on the lower time frames to be trading the higher time frame. So again, this is the daily time frame, and you want to be trading this daily uptrend. So you want to make sure that you're entering on the bounce. And let's say your profit is going to be up here at that last local high, which would be the first trouble area, right? and you're looking at the 4-hour trend and you're saying, you know what, I'm not going to be buying this bounce on the daily unless the 4-hour trend shifts to bullish. And if you want to get that very, very tight entry, you might want to enter here when you have that break and retest of the neckline of the W on the 1-hour. You entering on that break and retest of the W on the 1-hour, stops below the double bottom, and that might look something like this, with an entry here on the 4-hour, stop loss here, and then take profit on the daily up here. So you might be getting a trade that might look something like this, with entry here, stop loss here, and take profit all the way up here. A very high risk to reward trade. Now, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to, whatever system you're trading, whatever method you're using to trade, try to go down one time frame lower than you're normally doing and look for that bullish break in market structure. So if you're trading based on the 4-hour, look at what your entry trigger and your confirmation is on that 4-hour setup, and then zoom into the 1-hour on all the trades you've taken and try to see, could I have gotten a better entry if I instead waited for that 1-hour bullish break in market structure, or bearish if you're going short, instead of just waiting for confirmation on the 4-hour. And I promise you, some of the trades you're going to take are going to be so much higher risk to reward if you apply this idea of price action being fractal and all the time frames agreeing with each other. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like videos like this one, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this one. Take care and see you all in the next one.